Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today we got a Corvette C8 in for spoiler removal and swapping it out for something a little more aggressive, a little more high. Gonna show you guys how to remove the rear bumper first before installing that spoiler. So before we get into it, I'm gonna just let you guys know you do have to take the bumper in order to put the spoiler. I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm doing so you can check it out. So as you can see, I took the bumper off already, completely off. Before we get into how many screws the stock spoiler has, I'm gonna show you guys the first steps on what you need to do in order to remove the rear bumper, okay? So first things first, you have to remove the tire, okay? Then you have some this little clips, pull them out, and then if the bumper's on, you have to go inside, and then you're gonna see one, and then there's another screw in the back, same size, will be a 7, 1, 2 in the back, one right here, and then all the way on top you're gonna get a size 10, okay? So after you remove those, then underneath here you have 1, 2 in the center. You don't have none. You have 2 more on the right side, and those are stars. Those are gonna be a stars. I'll show you guys. It's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be T15, okay guys? So now when you remove the 1, 2 screws here, and then there's gonna be another one here, so 2, 3, and 4 to get this, to push this out the way. Now you're gonna have one here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after you removed all those screws, you're gonna have a bolt here. Make sure you kind of like push the bumper down, so you don't want to pull it and rip this part. As you can see, I kind of did that, but push it down and then pull out. Okay guys, so now customer Snacky TV said, hey, I want a bigger spoiler. So that's what we did. Now we gotta remove the spoiler, clean it up a bit with the wheel, and then that's the new spoiler we're gonna install there. Alright guys, so let me get going. Let me install the spoiler and then I'll get you back. Alright guys, so we here inside the C8 bumper. As you guys can see, very minimal space on all this little brackets where to put the screws. So now I put this screw here, this screw here. Now it's time to put the screws on the left and right side. I did put some covers on the floor just to keep it from any scratches. You know, when it comes down to cars that are like this, you want to do a good job where there's no scratches and makes your job more expensive in case of any scratches. So now we're about to put a screw here and there. The good thing about this bumper, it already had a previous spoiler, which is that one there we took off, so the holes are already there. But if not, there's gonna be a template where you have to make your own holes on here, and thank God we didn't need to do no holes. The holes are here. Let's start bolting all the bolts for the spoiler, and then we'll put the bumper and we're gonna show you guys the final result. All right guys, so spoiler's on. As you can see, just gotta bolt these on the other side as well. First time doing this kind of job, but everything came out great. Just, you know, take your time on all the screws, make sure you don't lose anything, but gives it a big difference for sure. As you can see, now it got a more aggressive spoiler. So now what we're doing is just gonna tighten these up. And then we're gonna put it on the other side as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. You know, just hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully this was helpful for a lot of people. Either if you're gonna wrap a C8 to take the rear bumper off, or just simply install a spoiler. So till next time, guys.